Hi, and thank you for your great question. So for this question, we have the cubed root of 24, not the square root, but the cubed root of 24. Now, we're not as familiar with cube roots as we are with squared roots, but basically we're looking for a number that when multiplied by itself 3 times is going to equal 24. And there isn't a number that a whole number that will do that. So when we simplify this, instead what we're going to do is we're going to split apart the 24 into its factors with the hopes of finding a factor that will be a perfect cube. And on page 54 in your textbook, there are the frequent cubed roots, fourth roots, and fifth roots that you might want to put on a study sheet. But if we look at these, we can see that the cubed root of 8 gives us 2, and 8 is a factor of 24. So we can use that. We can say 8 times 3, that's equal to 24. And then what we can do is parse these two cubed roots like that. And then this one can now simplify to 2, and it leaves us with the cubed root of 3. So 2 times the cubed root of 3 is in more simple terms than the cubed root of 24. So again, page 54, great cubed roots, fourth roots, and fifth roots that can help you when you're trying to simplify complex roots like this that aren't the normal square that we're used to. So I hope that helps. Thank you for your question and keep on posting. Bye for now.